Chad Crouch with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I have just listed this 2021 280 SLX bow rider, one of the premier bow riders for the SeaRay model lineup. Great boat for Lake of the Ozarks. This boat is equipped highly with the 8.2 liter Mercruiser with the Bravo 3 drive system. This boat has the stone interior. It has a white hull. As you can tell, it does have a windlass. 124 hours. This particular boat is equipped with the Simrad glass dash, dual displays, as well as the DRS system, which are automatic trim tabs. Upgraded head with the vacuum flush toilet. The sea deck is snap-in the floor. It is stowed in the owner's garage. It has the refrigerator, facility for coolers, the gray sea deck on the exterior, walk-through and swim platform. It has the upgraded Fusion stereo system with transom remote, as well as the bullet speakers and the upgraded water sports tower. We'll take a look at the exterior.